Today's intro is a little different. We're on the road. We're headed to Columbia City, Indiana to go check out these display cases. So we were working with the sign guy this morning. We got that finally fully hashed out. So those should be getting printed off today and installed by the end of this week. So I will share some of that. If we take these display cases, we'll get these into the shop today and just focus on walls from there. If we decide against these display cases, then it's gonna be off to building displays for the rest of the week. Let's see what we think. Got a graphic to get rid of. Good evening as we wind our day down here. I wish I was able to film so much more of what actually happens during my day and how these conversations play out. Once the shop is open, we should hopefully be able to start sharing some more of this. However, now that some of the display cabinets are actually in here, I can speak about it now. So Carson's, which was a big retail store here in Fort Wayne, I think that they were a nationwide brand that went out of business a few years back, but when they closed down, this gentleman that I know actually bought all of the jewelry and pretty much all of the display cases inside of the store. Well, he has since repurposed most of the display cases for himself. However, he never had a use for the real jewelry display cases. Therefore, him and I were able to work out a crazy deal, and now I am actually securing all of those display cases. It also really helps that this gentleman is a coin collector himself. He's been buying precious metals for almost 40 years. There was glass on top of some display cabinets that we didn't know about, so we started moving the display cabinets, and the glass fell off onto another display cabinet and shattered. I forgot my gloves, tore up my arm a little bit. These suckers are heavy because they have a metal roll cage that actually closes up at night. Needless to say, to get all of the bigger cabinets here tomorrow, it's gonna take more than just me and one other guy. I'm only able to get the outside of the cabinets cleaned up tonight because as we were moving the cabinets, we actually shut the doors and they automatically locked, and we left the keys back at the barn. Therefore, tomorrow when the rest of the cabinets show up, I'll also have all the keys and we will be able to get all of the displays completely cleaned out. The entire layout of the shop is actually going to change now due to these cabinets. I'll probably share with you tomorrow on the whiteboard what that will look like. Also today, I was able to secure what is probably the biggest purchase I've ever made in my life as of yet. I really hope to take possession of that collection by the end of the week, so that way I have more stuff to fill these cabinets with. Once we dial in a few more things here in the shop, we can go back into more of the admin side of the business, which is where we need to go talk to our local detective and a few other things to make sure that we are legally checking the boxes to be able to operate as a coin and jewelry shop. We're so close to opening. There's so much to get done, but we're going to achieve the goal. There's no way we fail, baby. Let's go!